Good morning, my friends. I have wonderful news for all of you. So millions of dollars have been allocated towards another round of relief payments. It has been announced that $1,000 stimulus checks can be claimed right now. The Internal Revenue Service has just released a very important announcement for all taxpayers. So, my friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to find out if you will be receiving a $1,000 stimulus payment. Also know that I'll be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter the giveaways, simply click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below keyword, the greater your chance of winning the $75 gift card.
For workers. Now, as Americans have started to resume their normal lives, companies are struggling to keep up with the increased demand for goods. These supply chain issues and a worker shortage has resulted in higher prices across the economy. These issues do not fully explain some of the skyrocketing prices that we're seeing. The pandemic and the ensuing recovery have laid bare systemic problems in our economy, including market consolidation and price gouging. As our economy works to recover from the pandemic and the shocks to our supply chain, and as the world responds to Putin's reckless invasion of Ukraine, food and energy costs have skyrocketed for people around the world, including here in America and including in my district in Rhode Island. While President Biden has taken a number of steps to tackle costs for Americans, including releasing millions of barrels of petroleum from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, expanding access to gasoline with 15% ethanol, and additional investments in the Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program to help those most in need, systemic imbalances in our economy are enabling companies to further drive up costs. Put simply, they're taking advantage of hardworking Americans and raising prices just because they can, all for the sake of extraordinary profits. As Americans are working to recover from 2 years of an unprecedented health crisis and the economic downturn it caused, companies are reporting record profits as worker pay remains stagnant and families feel the squeeze on their pocketbooks. This is especially true in the case of gas prices. Exxon, for example, is reporting that in the first quarter of 2020,
Vermont House and Senate lawmakers have hammered out a final deal on House Bill 510. This is a $40 million tax cut package that would include a new refundable child tax credit for Vermont residents. The bill has been sent to Vermont Governor Phil Scott's desk. The final compromise between the two chambers would send Vermonters $1,000 per child 5 or under. Households making $125,000 or less would be eligible for the full credit. Families claiming the credit would lose $20 per $1,000 over the income threshold. The credit would impact an estimated 33,000 children in the state. The estimated cost to the state's coffers for this new credit would be around $32 million. The Senate approved the bill on a vote Thursday morning. The House then responded in the afternoon by pushing the bill across the legislative finish line on a vote of 141 to 4. The tax credit is modeled on the federal child tax credit, which Congress temporarily expanded to $3,600 per child under the age of 6. That measure was widely credited for cutting childhood poverty by roughly 30% nationwide. The expanded federal credit has since expired, although families who have not yet done so can still claim it for 2021. Democrats continue to attempt to revive the boosted credit in the Build Back Better social spending package. The Vermont House in February passed a $48 million version of the tax credit that would have sent $1,200 to every family who make less than $200,000. The Senate responded with a $1,000 credit with less than half of that price tag that would have started phasing out for families making more than $55,000 a year. The upper chamber's bill also would have ended the tax cut after 3 years. With the final version of the bill, lawmakers did adopt versions of the previous proposals. The bill, for example, would create a deduction for all interest paid on student loans for taxpayers whose income is $120,000 for single filers and $200,000 for married filers. It also very slightly expands the state's earned income tax credit and significantly expands the child and dependent care credit. It then also expands the income thresholds for Vermont's Social Security exemption by $5,000. House Ways and Means Chair Representative Janet Ansell told reporters that she believed that the measure would likely create the most generous state-level child tax credit in the country. In total, the bill would reduce the tax liability of an estimated 70,000 individuals in the state. So, my friends, what are your thoughts about this new stimulus payment? And do you reside in a state that's providing its own residents with its own stimulus checks? Friends, the keyword for this video is llama. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, friends, and then comment below this keyword, which is llama, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my dear friends. An audit by the Treasury Inspector General for Tax Administration revealed that the IRS had tossed out data for millions of taxpayers, sparking anger from the tax community. The material, known as paper-filed information returns in accounting parlance, is sent yearly by employers and financial institutions and covers taxable activity such as W-2 forms, with copies sent to taxpayers and the IRS. According to IRS Commissioner Chuck Redding, the IRS backlog, which was created by years of budget cuts, understaffing, crisis-related office closures, and added duties, is expected to clear by this December. Missing information returns can cause a mismatch at the IRS, delaying refunds because the agency cannot verify details on taxpayers' returns. While the eventual consequences of the decision are unknown, tax professionals have long complained about the stream of automated IRS notices with limited options to reach the agency. Although the IRS halted more than a dozen types of automated notices in February, tax professionals say that the constant correspondence is still creating headaches for taxpayers and their advisors. Well, my wonderful and amazing friends, thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly and truly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Veronica Brown. Congratulations, my friend. To claim your gift card, please reply with your email or message me on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, friends, and please have a wonderful and blessed Saturday.